If that voice fully didn't register to you just now, maybe it has before while watching this renowned chef on the Food Network.
Red is life. Orange is healing.
Welcome back and glad you can join me for this week's bonus mass reader reveal. Let's see if you were able to correctly guess the name of this barbecue cooking legend behind the mask.
Rainbow, a first book of pride. Rainbows. Every color means something. Red means life. Orange is healing.
So, did you get it right? If you guessed TV celebrity, cookbook author, and podcast host Gina Neely, you sure did. And maybe you can win that $100 Amazon gift card. However, everyone wins a free copy of Rainbow, a First Book of Pride. Just stop by any Memphis Public Library to pick up a free copy while supplies last. And from all of us at the Memphis Public Library, we hope you enjoyed the Mass Reader. Goodbye for now.